Namaste everyone. I hope that you all are good. You're having a nice time. In today's video, I am going to share one very important tip on how to manifest anything that you want in your life. But before I begin the video, please let me introduce myself. I'm Ruhi Aluwalia, a coach and a therapist. I accompany people to overcome challenges in the domain of health, career, relationship, and finances holistically, in a holistic way. So let's begin. Well, I've noted a couple of points here, so I'm going to look at my paper and speak to you off and on. So, well, when we say how to manifest, the first question that you have to ask yourself is, do you have the energy to manifest? Because you will see that you will have two answers for it, yes and no. In case your answer is no, please type in the comment section, no, I don't have the energy to manifest. Come on, do that. So that is the first step, that you recognize that no, I don't have the energy to manifest, but I would like to manifest. So if you want to manifest something and you don't have the energy, what should you do in that case? Well, to have the energy is very important to manifest. Let's say you don't have any desire, there is no energy. Absence of energy equals to no desire in your life. So if that is the case, or maybe you have the desire, but you are just physically too tired to put that desire up in the universe or God or whosoever you believe in, for it to manifest. So in that case, there is a very simple technique that you should start doing right now. So if you are ready to do that technique, please type in ready. So this technique is very simple. What you have to do is every single day, yes, every single day, you have to go outdoors. Spend 45 minutes of your time outdoors in the nature, in a park or outside somewhere. So if you can make it happen in one go, that means spend 45 minutes in one go outside, it's really good. If you can't do that, there is no problem. You can break the 45 minutes into three parts, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. So 3 times 15 minutes in a day, spend your time outside. Now, how will it help you to manifest? That is the question. The thing is that when you spend your time outside in the nature, I'm not saying outside in a mall, closed spaces, but outside in the nature, you will instantly heal your physical energy, that physical energy that you are completely drained of because you're surrounded by so many blue lights, you're surrounded by screens, or just maybe you're someone who's not moving and your energy becomes very lazy. In the yogic world, we call it very tamasic. So just to transmute that energy, go outside and you will see instant changes happening to you. But this technique will give you best results if you do this for 21 days non-stop. So if you are committed to upgrade your energy, then type in the comment section, I promise, I promise, I promise. What do you promise? To spend 45 minutes outside every single day for the next 21 days. Now, coming back to the answer, yes, I have the energy to manifest. Well, if you belong to this category, then you have an added responsibility. You have to now maintain that energy and you have to amplify that energy so that you can really, scale up your manifestation. So what you have to do is, you also have to spend 45 minutes per day minimum outside. If you're someone who's already doing that, then go ahead and scale it to 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours. Now depends how you would like to spread those 1-2 hours in a day on a side. And if you belong to the category that, well, yes, I want to manifest, but I have no time, well, in that case, you have to really ask yourself, do you really want to manifest something in your life? If you have to manifest, you have to got moving yourself and you have to change something, because with the same attitude you can not manifest new things. So if you like the video, please hit on the like button, share this video with at least 3 people that you know to inspire, guide others, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications and further tips. Until then, I wish you a beautiful week and lots of love.